I have these two shapes and I want to keep the intersection of these shapes. So the thing that gets formed right here, this like half circle, but not really half circle. It's kind of a little bit smaller than the half circle. So what I have to do is select both the shapes, go under the design tab on the right, and pick this arrow right next to the union icon. And you will see this button that's called intersect. You'll see that the icon is showing that this keeps the inside part of the two shapes. You click on intersect, and there you go. I hope this was helpful. Please, please, please support my channel and subscribe. 90% of people who watch my videos actually don't subscribe. And so I would really love it if you just hit the subscribe button. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.